Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to edit and create filter in Lightroom mobile app. Here's some photo before and after using this filter. Let's start editing. First go to detail. Increase noise reduction to 20. Contraction to 10, and color noise reduction to 10. Next go to effect. Bring texture to 20. Clarity to 5. Down vignette to -35 and midpoint fully decrease to 0. Feather to +90. And roundness to -25. Then go to color. Tint increase to 32. Vibrance to -16. Saturation -8. Then touch color mix. Choose red, decrease hue -13, saturation to 17. Touch color orange, hue to 30, saturation to -30 and luminance to 33. Then go to yellow. Hue and saturation fully decrease to -100 and luminance to +35. Select green. Hue and saturation to -100 and luminance to +100. Then choose aqua. Bring hue to 100, saturation to 20 and luminance to 11. Touch color blue. Set hue to 19 and saturation to 60. Done. Next select color grading. Select shadow dot. First set saturation to 52. Set hue to 265. Scroll down and set luminance to -20. Select midtones dot. Set saturation to 30. And hue to 328. Then highlights dot. Set saturation to 60 and hue to 97. Then select global dot. Bring saturation to 13. And set hue to 280. Done. Then select light, exposure down to -0.49 EV. Contrast to +20. Set highlights to 10. Shadow bring down to -15 and white to -10. Final step, select optics. Enable RCA. Photo is done. You can apply this filter for any photo. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe.